My name is Akhilesh Deshmukh. My self-learning topic for the analog and digital electronic is universal gate. So before going to the universal gate, let's talk about logic gates. Logic gates are those digital circuit which works according to some logical relationship between input and output voltage. Logic gates works only on 0 and 1, that is low and high input, where the 1 is can be represented by true or on, where the 0 can be represented by false or off. Logic gates turn on when the certain condition is true, and logic gates are turned off when the certain condition is false. Output of logic gate can be decided by the which type of logic gate we are using and the input that we are provided. Input and output consist of two state, high and low, that we have discussed, that is 0 and 1. There are 7 types of logic gates. Next, number of output combination will be 2 to the power of n, where the n is the number of input of the any gate. Hence, if we see the NOT gate, there is only one input terminal. Hence, for that output combination will be 2. And if we consider OR gate or AND gate, it has two input terminals. Hence, the output combination for the OR and AND gate, it will be 4. Truth table means the describing how the logic circuit output depends upon the logic level at the input. Truth table defines how the output is depend on the input what we are providing. Boolean expression is the representation of output of logic gate through which we can make truth table. So classification of gates, that is basic gates consist of NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. Universal gate consists of NAND gate and NOR gate. Then special purpose gate consists of XOR gate and XNOR gate. NOT gate. NOT gate is the most simple logic gate. NOT gate has only one input terminal and one output terminal. Here is the symbol for the NOT gate. Here the bubble represent the NOT gate, means inversion function. Okay, Boolean expression for the NOT gate is x is equal to a complement. Okay, if we see the truth table, if we provide a as an input 0, then output will be 1, and if we provide 1 as an input, output will be 0. This can be derived from the Boolean expression where the a is input. Output is the complement of or inversion of its applied input. Another name for the NOT gate is inverter, because it inverts the input. Next gate is AND gate. AND gate has a 2 input terminal and 1 output terminal. AND gate performs the multiplication function. This is the symbol for the AND gate, and the Boolean expression for the AND gate is x is equal to a dot b, means it will be both input will be multiplied at the output. When we apply 0 0 at the input, output will be 0, because 0 into 0 is 0. When we apply 0 into 1, 0 and 1 at the input, output will be also 0, because 0 into 1 again comes out to be 0. And similarly for 1 0, it will be like 0. And if we provide input 1 1, and then output will be 1. Okay, then what we have concluded from this gate, when the both inputs are high, output will be high, otherwise output is low. Next gate is OR gate. OR gate has a 2 input terminal and 1 output terminal. OR gate performs the addition function. This is the symbol for the OR gate, and the Boolean expression for the OR gate is x is equal to a plus b. From truth table we can derive that when the inputs are 0 0, then output will be 0, because 0 plus 0 is 0. When input is 0 and 1, then output will be 1, because 0 plus 1 is 1. Similarly, when the input is 1 and 0, output will be 1, because 1 plus 0 is 1. And when we are applying 1 1 at the input, output will be also 1, because 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so what we have concluded from this, output is high when any one of the input is high. Okay, otherwise output will be low. Next is NAND gate. NAND gate is an example of universal gate. Universal gate are the gates through which we can derive any basic gate. Okay, NAND gate has a 2 or more input terminal and 1 output terminal. NAND gate is a combination of NOT gate and AND gate. Output of the NAND gate is the complement of product of its input. This is the symbol for the NAND gate, where the first part is of AND gate and second part is of NOT gate. Okay, this bubble represent the NOT gate. Boolean expression for NAND gate is complement of A dot B. From this we can derive this truth table. When the both inputs, that is A and B, are 0, means A and B, it will be come out to be 0, and if we take the complement of 0, it will be 1. Hence the output for the NAND gate is 1. When we are taking AB as 0 and 1, then multiplication will be 0, and if its complement is taken, it will be come out to be 1. Hence similarly for the third case, it is also similar, and if we consider 1 1 as a input, 1 into 1 it will be 1, and if we take the complement of 1, it will become 0. Hence this is the truth table for the NAND gate. If what we have concluded from this, if any one of the input is low, output is high. If all the input is high, output will be low. Next gate is NOR gate. NOR gate has a 2 or more input terminal and 1 output terminal. NOR gate is a combination of NOT gate and OR gate. Output is the complement of sum of its input. Okay, this is the representation of NOR gate. Here the first part is of OR gate and second part is of NOT gate. Boolean expression for the NOR gate is complement of A plus B. Okay, from this Boolean expression we can derive this truth table. If the both inputs are 0, okay, then A plus B will be 0, and its complement, if we take the complement of 0, it will be comes out to be 1. Okay, so first condition is verified. Then if we take A as 0 and B as 1, then output what will be the sum? 0 plus 1 is 1, and if we take the complement of 1, it will be comes out to be 0. Similarly for third case it is similar, and if we take A as 1 and B as 1, if then what will be the sum? 1 plus 1 is 1, and if we take the complement of that, it will come out to be 0. Hence this table is verified. From what we have concluded from this, if the both inputs are low, output is high, and if one of the input is high, output will be low. Thank you.